DIY Home Gynecology Exam. Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about a topic that may seem taboo or uncomfortable for some, but it's important to address. We'll be discussing a DIY home gynecology exam. Now, before we get started, it's important to note that this exam should not replace regular gynecological visits with a healthcare provider. However, it can be a helpful tool in between visits to help monitor your vaginal health. Step 1. Preparing for the exam. Before we begin the exam, we need to make sure we are prepared. You will need a few items, such as a handheld mirror, gloves, lubricant, and a flashlight. It's also important to make sure you have enough privacy and time set aside to perform the exam without any distractions. Step 2. Checking the vulva. Once you have gathered all the necessary items, it's time to start the exam. First, wash your hands and put on gloves. Then, use the handheld mirror to examine the vulva. Look for any redness, swelling, or sores. Pay attention to any changes in color or texture. Step 3. Examining the vagina. Next, we move on to the vagina. Using your fingers, gently separate the labia and insert a finger into the vagina. Move your finger around to feel for any abnormalities, such as lumps or bumps. Pay attention to any discomfort or pain you may feel. If you experience any pain, stop the exam and contact your healthcare provider. Step 4. Checking the cervix. Now, we'll move on to the cervix. Using the flashlight, look for any unusual discharge or bleeding. Then, insert a finger into the vagina until you feel the cervix. The cervix will feel like a small, round bump. Check for any changes in position, shape, or texture. Step 5. Performing a Pap test. If you are due for a Pap test, this is also something that you can do at home. Using a cotton swab, gently collect a sample of cervical cells. Place the swab into a container and send it to a lab for testing. It's important to note that a Pap test is not a replacement for a pelvic exam, so you should still make regular appointments with your healthcare provider. Step 6. After the exam. Once you have finished the exam, it's important to properly clean and disinfect all of the items used. Dispose of any gloves or swabs in a biohazard bag or container. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Performing a DIY home gynecology exam can be a helpful tool in between visits to your healthcare provider. However, it's important to remember that this exam should not replace regular gynecological visits. If you notice any abnormalities or changes in your vaginal health, it's important to contact your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.